One of the best parts of owning dirt bikes is the time spent in the shed spinning spanners. If you can't handle that, maybe take up golf. Hey, Jimmy McNamara, maybe eat my shorts. I get to decide what the best time with my dirt bikes are, not you. And the best time with my dirt bikes and my family is riding them. If you like taking baths in air filter oil, if you like troubleshooting issues, if you like days that you could have been riding that might be lost from mechanicals, that's on you. You don't put that on me. You know how many times I've seen these kids on 50s not get to ride because a stator goes out, or there's something up with the carb, it's not running right, and you got a 4 or 5-year-old trying to explain to their dad what a motorcycle, what an internal combustion engine is doing on a track, and they can't even hardly, they've only been talking for a year, they can't put their words together and tell their dad what the bike's doing. They're disappointed. The gate fee's lost, the riding fee's lost, the gas is lost, we're going home, dad's gonna work on that for hours when he probably should be doing other stuff. You know how many times this bike has let us down? You want to know? Not a single time has this electric dirt bike let us down. Not a single disappointed look on my kid's face because of something wrong with his bike. You know how many tracks have been shut down because of how annoying these things are? Not a single one. But you know how many have been shut down because of how annoying one of these is? There's tons of time for you to spend in your shed, spinning your spanners, working on tires, wheels, chassis, body, brakes, suspension. You don't need to guilt trip people into thinking they need to have one of these in their bike to belong in your club. Trying to tell people they don't belong in your industry if they don't want to spend time in their garage, in their shed, spinning spanners? Get out of here.